In this video, we will show you how to build a modern house step by step and also share some creative building ideas and tips along the way. Use the clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on in this video. Find or terraform an area of land where you want to build your house on. Next, plan the layout of your build by setting a foundation. For this build, we will have the main part of the building towards the back and add an extension on each side towards the front. For the walls, we will be using smooth quartz. Since this is a modern house, the windows will be quite large. Make sure to leave spaces for windows while adding in the walls. This house will contain 2 floors in the main part of the build. To add more dimension to the build, you can use gray concrete. For the roof, use birch slabs and birch planks. The slabs will be used on the middle and left side of the build, and the planks will be used on the right side. For the windows, fill in the spaces using black stained glass panes. You can also use the glass to add a balcony on the right side of the build. For the floor inside the house, use birch planks to carry on with the modern style. Make sure to add the flooring for the second floor as well. Now that the exterior of the build is complete, we can move on to the interior. We'll start by sectioning the house into rooms. Next, build spiral stairs to the second floor using quartz pillars and smooth quartz slabs. Starting with the living room, you can build a fireplace using bricks and campfires. Add sofas in front of the fireplace using white wool and smooth quartz slabs. You can add shelves using light blue shulker boxes and light blue carpet. And you can add drawers using beehives. For the kitchen, add counters using polished diorite stairs. These stairs look very similar to marble, so they will add a modern look to the kitchen. Next, you can add a functional double-door fridge using iron blocks with barrels under them and add buttons on each side. And you can add stoves using smokers. Finish up the interior however you like. Moving on to the exterior, you can create a backyard by surrounding it using leaves to make them look like hedges. You can add a swimming pool using quartz stairs and quartz bricks. Then add sea lanterns inside the pool to light it up. we'll finish up the backyard by adding sunbeds and a jacuzzi. For the front of the house, use birch stairs on the left side of the build to create a garage door. Next, you can use cobblestone to add a small wall outside. And you can add some leaves around the entrance. To finish off this build, add a stone path leading to the main door and another path in front of the garage door.